was here a year ago.
Oh, really?
That's the outside. No line because it's almost membership.
Black bears? What did you say? Oh, to the left first. I was like, how do they have black bears here?
Black bear?
Yeah. What is it?
So can you lean against
What is it? I don't see it.
Wall. You know how
It's so dark. But yeah, we can. Okay.
becoming human.
You want to take Evan's sunglasses off?
Oh yeah. You can put it in the backpack. Like real ones? Wow. Okay. Okay. You hold it.
Oh, penguins at the end.
Like real penguins?
Yeah, real. They're feeding them. Watch the penguins. They're being fed. Oh, look at the tiny little deer.
Oh yeah, those are cute.
They look like cats. They look like Gigi. Except with horns and skin.
Nala?
And so they work with all sorts of seabirds, and they go out and rescue and rehabilitate wild birds and release them into the wild. And the penguins are obviously one of the most common species they work with because unfortunately, like they said, these penguins are finding
Green. Ooh, those frogs are poisonous when it's colorful.
Oh.
Ooh, yeah, hey, Evan, look at that big giraffe. Triangle.
Wow.
Triangle. Too bad they stuffed
You want to
it.
take a picture with the giraffe, baby? Go to Auntie Shannon, take a picture of you. That's so cute. Okay, stand right there. Say cheese. Yay! Good job.
How about taking him right in between the two big mama and the baby?
It's fine. Wow, baby. Yay! Say cheese. Yay! Okay. Look how big they are. What color is it?
Oh, the color. Changing color.
Oh.
What's in here? Look, check this out. Look. In here. Wait.
Check this out.
What's this?
Check it out.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, it's a heart. Brown.
Evan, look.
Wow.
A walking leaf. Oh, that's a walking leaf.
Okay.
I think it's just an installation to make people more interested in the things that are here. I don't think the sound has anything to do with
Look
it.
at it. Story in color. Vivid voice of nature. Sky blue, red blue.
Wow.
Which color calms you? Which scares you? Which grab your attention?
Does he have his hood on?
Yeah.
Or we take it off so he would look better in pictures.
Plants and animals, color can attract. This little light of mine.
A lagoon.
Last time they have a white alligator here. They have
There's
a white.
fish?
No, last time they have a
Oh.
white alligator
I
here.
think it passed away.
He passed away. Or
Yeah.
somebody.
No, I think
They
it.
found him and he passed away.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's pretty. The blue ones are so vibrant.
There's fish. You guys see fish? I don't see.
The goldfish look like nothing compared to them. Now that it doesn't really look white, it looks beige. How come only him? That sucks.
There's only one. They're rare, Mom.
And they could find another one, keeping company.
Maybe they don't do well together because they're territorial, aren't they?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I wonder if he's
In fact, real. The first time I saw him, I wasn't quite sure. He is a very unusual color for an alligator. He also doesn't move very much. But that is common for American alligators. American alligators are ambush predators.
Was this the same one that was released at Lake Mountain Lake Park? Somebody stole him and then dumped him in the lake? Oh, it looked like a big old fish tank.
Is this a glass?
Yeah, fish tank. It's a dome, so it's round here.
Oh, so they can see closer, right?
Yeah.
I remember this.
The steps are.
Wow.
Wow, lots of fish. Different sizes. Silver certain fish. Oriental snaketail. Salmon tail.
Yay, so cute.
I know. Is it super dark in here? I don't know. Does it change into nighttime mode?
No.
No?
I can like filter it out.
A big circle. There's like one room that has a big circle.
Oh, where's the
I
jellyfish?
know. Let's find the jelly.
Eon saw
Over
it.
here. Straight.
What?
Over here.
Poisonous.
I don't see anything.
Over here, in front of you.
Oh,
See these red things?
Nope.
No, you don't see the color?
Oh.
It's okay. I'll look at it in the footage.
What color is it?
Oh, I think I see it.
Red jellyfish.
Red jellyfish.
Do you see it?
Dirty, dirty. Oh, now it's orange.
Good job, baby.
Sea urchins. They're pretty. They look like they're like flowers stuck on the rock. Sea urchins. I like the purple sea urchin. Actually, the flower looks like succulent flowers.
Yeah. Oh, is that a? Oh, that's a kelp.
That's, yeah. Finfish.
Oh Lord, where's Evan? Are there stairs here or something?
It looks like she's 2 years old too. Amazon flooded forest. Oh, you see the fish swimming around, so he's doing it.
Oh, that's not a log.
It looks like a log.
A lungfish. Australia
Oh.
lungfish.
Australia lungfish.
Yeah.
Boy.
Or Australia.
Australia.
Or Austria.
The big fish.
Australian.
Australian.
Big fish?
Yeah,
Big old
lungfish.
Wow.
Let's see what they say.
Big things.
Vernal pool.
We charge for this baby.
I got $40.
Swamp pocket, 330.
Okay, don't touch anything, baby.
Which way we go?
I guess either way. I guess up.
This is the only way. Wow, I've never been in here.
Me neither. I don't even see any butterflies.
It's in the center.
Oh, okay. Let's go, baby. What are you? Oh, cute. Yeah, walking.
Oh wow, there's a big old snippet.
Ooh.
Yeah, show him the bugs, man.
I'm not about.
Oh, I see it. Two of them. Right there. Yellow.
Wait, they're just out in the open. They're not in the
Three.
cage.
3.
Oh,
4. Oh, a big one right there.
Okay, we need.
They look like how regular house fly. Oh, I see one. Right there flying around. Oh, there it is. They use peat moss stick on the tree trunk so they got new plants growing. I have this in my yard.
Okay, okay.
It's an orchid.
No touching.
It is a palm tree. Oh, butterfly. I see 3 flying. Woo. Wings.
Every year, snow melts and rain falls across the mighty Amazon River to overflow with rains. Dry land is plunged underwater to submerge.
Oh, we can't take.
And he picked thank you, which is aquarium.
Can we just stay here and take the?
I don't know.
Well, actually, I was down for this.
Wow, this is cool. Oh, maybe not. Oh, they're right there, babe. The tunnel's right there.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Wow, that came out of nowhere.
I know. You see the fish? Roof at the Academy of Sciences. He's having so much fun. This is the Academy of Science.
The living room.
Living roof. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I smell barbecue.
They have a lot of buildings. They have that. They open it to the public.
This smells like Christmas corn dogs.
Yes, that's exactly it. Oh, dang, that smells bomb.
Is that the fried?
You're right, it is.
Churro?
No, the fried things that like carnivals.
Oh,
Falafel?
no, that's not it. It's,
He's sweaty.
he's gonna pass out, I guarantee.
That's fine.
Hey, yeah.
What's up? Mom, what do you feel like eating for dinner? Should we go? The only reason
there's
why I
that
said no
room.
China Live is the boys can't do Chinese food.
It's still risky, but.
Oh, did you see that, Jim?
Yellow.
I have a piece like this, smaller, but it's not a different kind of blue.
Oh, baby, these are all different types of like stone
quartz.
rocks from the ground. What is that about?
Gambling.
It's like
But it's about gems?
Well,
it's like about the diamond.
Oh.
Oh, that's it. This is that quartz. I guess it's
So it's like a
amethyst.
serious. This is mom's favorite. This is cool. Wow, What's this big one? Hi, Beach. Yeah.
There's a huge fish in March. They need to be higher.
See, right there. Right there. Yeah, up there.
Do you see it? Look at the big fish.
Look at that big fish. That's a catfish. That's a big catfish.
Wow, that thing's fast.
That has a orange tail.
Catfish, good job, baby. Yeah. Careful, baby.
Sit down.
Oh, careful. Wow, careful, honey. Behind you. Oh, dancing, dancing. Wow. Wow. Mom, can you move? Wow, wow. Wow, good dancing. Yay. So huge. I thought that was a rock. What's up? Baby, can you say, hey dude? Can you say, so cool? So cool. Yeah. Say, so much fun. Yay.